Hello teachers, so this is a video for teachers and experts. So let me just go, yes, so let me take the laser pointer. So now we're we're looking for some teachers and experts who volunteer to help students achieve their goals and get into top universities in US, okay? So we need teachers and experts in the fields of SAT prep and AP Business, Python, and we also need US University advisors so that we can get the counseling and we can move on and know what we can do. So what we're looking for, expert in any of these areas. Again, I said that in the previous slide itself. So the, for the teacher or the expert, uh, he or she should have scored 14,000. For 14. What am I doing? 1400 and above. Okay, then you're qualified. Okay, so AP courses, science, history, math, and more, like any AP course possible. Okay, so 5 score is preferred, but we might even get lower to that. So business, finance, marketing, strategy, and economic industries background, yes, they're welcome. Business officers with these backgrounds, that is, you must know what's a startup and how to teach that to students. And Python, someone with core Python knowledge and how to implement that Python knowledge to make websites and apps. Okay, so you as university advisor, so we need some guidance even if we have all the knowledge to go forward with our application. We need some more knowledge, right? So we are definitely looking for university advisors. That is not advisors from universities. It's like advisors for university applications. So how it works, email us to express interest, okay? Join a quick student question and answer on Zoom. So get invited to the community, okay? Now I'll share my email. So this is futuristicgroupage@gmail.com. So this is my email, okay? So are you ready to inspire students? We really are looking for teachers. So I'm myself a kid, so even I need a lot of guidance from teachers. So even it will be helpful for me too. So that's it for today, teachers. Bye. See you tomorrow, teachers.